If your Samsung Galaxy phone keeps restarting automatically, don't worry. This issue is usually caused by software settings, outdated system updates, or temporary system glitches rather than a hardware failure. In this guide, we'll walk you through several effective methods to stop your Samsung phone from rebooting unexpectedly. Step 1. Turn off automated restarts. Samsung's One UI includes a maintenance feature designed to keep your phone running smoothly by restarting it occasionally. If this feature is enabled or configured incorrectly, it may appear as though your phone is randomly restarting. Open the Settings app and tap Battery and Device Care, or Device Care depending on your One UI version. Next, tap Auto Optimization, then select Auto Restart. Turn off both Restart when needed and Restart on a schedule. After disabling these options, use your phone normally for a while to see if the unexpected restarts stop. Step 2. Check for system updates. Running an outdated version of Android or One UI can lead to software bugs that cause automatic restarts. Samsung regularly releases updates that improve stability, security, and overall performance. Go to Settings, then tap Software Update. Select Download and Install to check for available updates. If an update is available, install it and restart your phone once the installation is complete. Keeping your device updated is one of the best ways to prevent software-related restart issues. Step 3. Perform a factory data reset. Last resort. If your Samsung Galaxy still restarts automatically after trying the previous solutions, the operating system may be corrupted or a third-party app may be causing serious conflicts. Performing a factory reset can restore the phone to its original state. Before you begin, back up all important data, including photos, videos, contacts, and documents, because this process will erase everything stored on the device. Open Settings, General Management, Reset, Factory Data Reset. Review the information, tap Reset or Delete All, and enter your lock screen, PIN, password, or pattern to confirm. Wait for the phone to complete the reset and set it up as new. If the problem continues even after a factory reset, the issue could be hardware-related, such as a faulty battery or motherboard. In that case, contact Samsung support or visit an authorized Samsung service center for professional diagnosis. Hope this guide helped. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tech tutorials. See you next time.